You see that harmless little bump? Some people mistake it for serious skin diseases, even cancer. Shocking, right? Before you panic, don't click away, because in this video, I'm going to show you a safe and step-by-step 14-day challenge using apple cider vinegar to shrink and possibly remove skin tags naturally. But here's the catch: you must know the risks and precautions first, or you could end up with burns, scars, or worse. So stick with me to the very end. Hi, welcome back to Essential Cures. Today, we're talking about skin tags, what they are, what causes them, how to prevent them, the #1 mistake people make when trying to remove them, and finally, I'll guide you through a detailed 14-day apple cider vinegar challenge. And I'll also share when to stop immediately and go see a doctor. So grab a notebook if you need to, because this is going to be your complete guide. First things first, let's talk about skin tags. Skin tags, also known as acrocordons, are tiny, soft, flesh-colored or slightly darker flaps of skin. They usually dangle on a small stalk, and most of the time, they are painless and harmless. They commonly appear in places where your skin folds or rubs together, like the neck, armpits, under the breasts, groin area, or even the eyelids. They are incredibly common, so if you have one or two, you're definitely not alone. Now, why do they even appear? Well, doctors believe they are linked to friction, skin rubbing on skin or clothing. Genetics plays a role too, meaning if your parents had them, you might get them. They also show up more often if you're overweight, pregnant, or if you have conditions like diabetes. You can't completely stop them from forming, but you can lower your chances by keeping your weight under control, wearing looser clothes to reduce friction, keeping skin folds clean and dry, and managing blood sugar if that's an issue for you. Now, and listen carefully here, not every small bump on your skin is a skin tag. Many things mimic skin tags. It could be a mole, a wart, a cyst, or in rare but serious cases, even skin cancer. Here's how to tell when it's not a skin tag: if it's flat, firm, growing quickly, painful, multicolored, bleeding, or larger than a pencil eraser. Please, do not try to remove it at home. That's your body waving a big red flag saying, "See a dermatologist now." The worst-case scenario? You might think you're treating a harmless skin tag, but in reality, you're delaying the diagnosis of something dangerous. So rule this out first. Okay, let's talk about apple cider vinegar, or ACV. You've probably seen tons of videos and blog posts claiming ACV magically makes skin tags fall off. But here's the truth: there is no solid scientific proof that it always works. What we do know is that ACV is very acidic, and if you're not careful, it can burn your skin, leave scars, cause infections, or damage sensitive areas like the eyes or genitals. That's why this challenge is only for small, typical skin tags, and only on safe areas of the body. If you're sensitive, have eczema, or are on blood-thinning medication, this method is not for you. Alright, if you've made it this far and you've confirmed it's a harmless skin tag, here's what you'll need. Raw apple cider vinegar, cotton balls or cotton swabs, small adhesive bandages or medical tape, petroleum jelly or zinc oxide to protect the surrounding skin, mild soap and water, optional, antiseptic ointment. And for fun, take daily photos so you can track your progress. Before day 1, always do a patch test. Dab a little ACV on normal skin nearby, leave it for 10 minutes, rinse, and wait 24 hours. If you get redness, blisters, or pain, this method is not for you. The 14-day ACV skin tag challenge. Day 1 to 3. Clean and dry the area. Protect surrounding skin with petroleum jelly. Soak a cotton ball with ACV and place it on the tag. Secure with tape or a bandage. Leave it for about 10 minutes only, then remove, wash, and dry. Take a photo. Day 4 to 7. If no irritation, you can increase to 15 to 20 minutes per day. Continue protecting the skin around it. You might start noticing darkening or drying at this stage. Day 8 to 14. Continue daily application, 15 to 20 minutes. The tag may scab, shrink, or fall off. If it hasn't changed by day 14, don't keep pushing. Stop and seek professional advice. If at any point you feel burning, pain, blistering, or see infection signs, like pus, swelling, or spreading redness, stop immediately and wash the area. When to see a doctor. Here's when to stop right away and see a doctor. Severe pain or blistering, spreading redness or swelling, heavy bleeding, the growth changes in shape, color, or size, or if it just doesn't go away after 2 weeks. These are signs you need a dermatologist's help. Aftercare tips. Once the tag falls off, keep the area clean, apply petroleum jelly or an antibiotic ointment, and cover it lightly until healed. Don't pick at the scab. And once it's healed, protect the spot from the sun to avoid dark marks or scarring. If you'd rather not risk DIY, doctors have quick, safe ways to remove skin tags, like freezing with liquid nitrogen, burning them off with cauterization, or snipping them off with sterile tools. These are instant and much lower risk. So there you have it, the complete 14-day ACV Skin Tag Challenge, with all the precautions and steps you need. Remember, safety first. Don't assume every bump is a skin tag, and don't ignore your body if something feels wrong. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more natural health challenges, and let me know in the comments. Would you actually try this at home, or would you go straight to the doctor? I'd love to hear your thoughts.